What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Luis Hernandez, and today I'm going to take you guys along with me to a online auction for Copart. This auction is for a fleet vehicles. They're all clean titles, and hopefully we can get something today. All right, I'm in the market for a minivan, so hopefully we can get one. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, you guys, so here after this pickup truck, that's where the cars that I'm watching, they're gonna start showing up. Like I said, I'm looking for a minivan. Someone asked me for a minivan, so that's what I'm gonna be trying to get. Like I said, all of these ones are clean titles, and they are from a fleet. Here we go, here's the first one. I'm beating, guys. I'm beating, but I'm getting beat. I'm trying to get it. This one's probably gonna go maybe on the 8,000s, maybe 8,000, 9,000, maybe. New bidder. I'm trying. I'm getting out bid real quick. I'm trying. Come on. The thing is, guys, see the pictures, there's no damage on them. They got about 20,000 miles in it. Leather seats. These are the rental cars. We're 9,500. And I don't want to pay that much, because then you still got the fees. So if you pay 10,000, it's probably gonna be like 12,000 after you're all said and done. Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Bonus time. New bidder. Sold on approval.
All right, that one sold for 10,400.
New bidder.
This Elantra, I don't want to bid on it. I'm not looking for a car. I got plenty of cars right now. Let's see what's on the list. I'm looking for this Kona. Maybe. Yeah, I heard they give you a great gas mileage, like 135 miles a gallon. It's the interior. It looks pretty good. Cloth seats. It may have navigation, or at least it has a big screen.
This is a hot lot.
I don't know. Let's see how much they go for. It's already 7,000. It may be on the maybe 10,000, because this is 2019. But who knows? This one's already at 10,000. Wow.
Bonus time.
9,900. And sold.
Sold on approval.
Let's see what's next. Another one.
New bidder.
Okay. I'm not interested, but we'll see.
New bidder.
Let's see the pictures on this. It looks pretty good, no dings or damages. The It's clean title, so it should be good.
Bonus time.
Already a 9,200. It's probably gonna go about the same as the other one. This one has more miles, 26,000 miles.
This is a hot lot. New bidder. Sold on approval.
Sold for 9,900. Wow. Okay, here's the corner, and then let's see what happens. It only has 17,000 miles. So let's see how much they go for.
This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder.
Wow, 9,600 real quick. 17,000 miles. That's probably why they're selling over 10,000.
Sold on approval.
Yep, 10,300.
New bidder.
2018. It's already at 10,000. Man, they're selling pretty expensive today. Let's see, one more, and then we got the Kona that we're looking at. Let's see what else. There's more. There's gotta be more in the bottom. There's a lot of Kona. There you go. Dodge Caravan GT.
Sold on approval.
10,600. Wow.
Your watch item is next on the block. New bidder.
There you go, guys. Damn it. Again, what the? Alright, let's try it again.
New bidder.
Back and forth.
This is a hot lot. New bidder.
I don't want to spend that much, especially because I'm not looking for one of those, but if I can get it cheap, why not, you know?
New bidder. New bidder. New bidder. New
Oh,
bidder.
they're going at it. Back and forth.
New bidder.
Again, 17,000 miles. 10,500 at the moment.
New bidder. Bonus time.
This is it, bonus time, 10,800. Would you buy this? It's a hell of a lot cheaper than going to the dealership, I'll tell you that much.
Sold on approval.
Okay, here we go. Dodge
New
Caravan.
bidder.
3,000. Damn, I'm back and forth. I'm trying to get this one, guys.
This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder.
Damn it, feels like I'm playing the slots in Vegas. It's climbing so high, so fast. I'm still trying, guys.
New bidder. New bidder.
I pay less than 10. Nope, you went over my budget. Less than 10 and I'll buy it.
New bidder.
19,000 miles, guys. I don't know about you, but the music they put in makes me want to bet more and more and more. That's probably why they do it.
New bidder.
They're out of their mind. 12,000? Hell no. Let's see what's next. There's gotta be more. There's one thing you guys gotta remember. Don't fall in love with the vehicles, because there's always more. Don't get into a bidding war, because you're not gonna win. You're just gonna pay more than what you should have paid.
Bonus time.
So don't fall in love with the vehicles. There's always more coming up.
Sold on approval. New bidder.
19, 7,000 miles.
New bidder.
It's a short pay.
This is a
Not
hot
interested.
lot.
These things are really popular. You see, they're going high in price real quick. No damages, no dings. Clean title. But don't need a pickup. It's a nice one though.
Bonus time. Sold on approval. New bidder.
I'm gonna bid on this
New
one.
bidder.
See what
This
happens.
is a hot
If I can get it for less than what the other one went, I can probably turn it around and sell it. Well, that didn't last long. Probably gonna go about the same price as the other one.
new bidder.
Again, no things, no damages. It looks exactly the same as the other one. Let's go for about the same price too, 17,000.
Sold on approval.
Vehicles, I'm not interested on. Fiat, nope.
Sold.
Not interested. But if you are interested, there you go. If you need to buy one, let me know.
Sold.
And I can buy one for you, and we'll make all this happen.
New bidder.
Let's bid on this one too. 16,000 miles.
New bidder.
Okay.
New bidder. This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder. New bidder.
Let's see the pictures. No damages, no dings. Don't like the color. Leather? No, it's not leather seats. 10,000. ones, they still have warranty on the dealership.
Sold on approval.
Oh, I like this one better.
New
Let's bid
bidder.
on this one. 16,000, 15,000 miles.
New bidder. This is a hot lot.
$11,000. Nope, just because it's blue. $12,000. And they're still going at it, guys. I'm telling you, don't get into a bidding war.
Bonus time. Sold on approval.
This one has less miles and white. But I am looking for the minivan, not this one. It looks pretty nice. No dings or damages, it's like the other ones.
New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot.
Remember how the other one sold for $12,000? This one is going for a lot less because it's white.
Sold on approval. New bidder. New bidder. This is a hot lot.
So this one has 25,000 miles and it's gonna sell probably about the same as the other ones with less miles. Well, this is the last one for me, at least the last corner, so we are going to have to maybe pick up the pace tomorrow.
Sold.
This is the last corner. It's probably going to go about the same as the other ones, so
New bidder.
let's go. Alright, you guys, so as you can see in the video, I got outbid several times, but it is what it is, you know, it's the name of the game. A lot of these people have a lot more money than us, unfortunately, but not for long, not for long. But until next time, guys, hopefully we can get something very, very soon. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll do this again tomorrow. Alright, see you guys, take care, God bless, and we're gone.